Want to start a business from home with less than $500? In the next few minutes, I'll show you 10 incredible machines that can turn your ideas into a real money-making empire. Some you can even use today. Tabletop Mini Circular Saw. The Tabletop Mini Circular Saw is a small but incredibly versatile tool that's perfect for anyone looking to do precise cuts without needing a full-sized workshop. Measuring just 5.5 inches wide by 7 inches long, it's compact enough to fit on any small workspace, but powerful enough to handle a variety of materials. One of the most impressive features is its vacuum cleaner connection, which keeps your workspace clean and free of dust as you work. The ability to change blades easily makes it flexible for different materials, from wood to plastics and even soft metals. Whether you're a hobbyist or a small business owner, this machine lets you perform professional-level cutting without a huge investment. What makes this mini saw especially appealing is how beginner-friendly it is. The high-speed disc ensures your cuts are smooth, accurate, and fast, saving you time and effort. Even for small-scale repair jobs or modeling projects, you'll notice the difference in efficiency and precision. The included cutting discs for various materials mean you don't have to spend extra money buying accessories right away, making it an ideal tool to kickstart your small-scale production at home. At just $40, it's a powerful and affordable way to get into woodworking, crafts, or DIY projects that require neat, clean cuts every time. 2. Mini Lathe Machine. The Mini Lathe Machine is a dream for anyone who wants to explore woodworking or small-scale crafting. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for beginners who want to learn the art of turning. Whether you're interested in creating wooden jewelry, small decorative objects, or even miniature furniture pieces, this lathe gives you the tools to start experimenting without being overwhelmed by a full-size machine. The lathe comes fully equipped with everything you need, so you can start turning and shaping materials from day one. Its small footprint also means you don't need a dedicated workshop, just a small table and some focus, and you're ready to create. Aside from learning the basics, the mini lathe is also perfect for developing skills that can turn into a real business. You can start producing unique decorative items, personalized gifts, or custom jewelry that can sell locally or online. Because it's small and affordable, beginners can familiarize themselves with the principles of wood turning and gradually move on to more advanced projects. At just $40, it's an accessible investment that can open doors to both a hobby and a potential side income, all from the comfort of your home. 3. Mini Grinder Machine. If you're working with small parts or detailed projects, the Mini Grinder Machine is an essential addition to your toolkit. This compact machine is perfect for sanding, sharpening, and polishing a variety of materials, from wood to metal and beyond. At only $40, it's not only affordable, but also highly versatile. Beginners will appreciate its ease of use, while professionals can rely on it for more precise finishing work. It's small enough to fit on a tabletop, but powerful enough to get tasks done quickly, making it a great tool for small workshops, DIY projects, or home-based businesses. One of the best features of the mini grinder is its ability to handle multiple types of tasks without requiring additional machines. Whether you're smoothing out rough edges, sharpening tools, or preparing parts for assembly, this machine saves time and effort. Its compact and functional design ensures that you can work comfortably without sacrificing quality. For anyone looking to start small-scale production or hone their craftsmanship skills, this machine is a reliable companion. Investing in a mini grinder means you can elevate your projects and create professional-level products, even as a beginner. 4. Jewelry Making Machine, Multi-Attachment Tool. For aspiring jewelers, the jewelry making machine is a game-changer. Equipped with over 100 attachments, it allows you to perform nearly every operation you could imagine in jewelry production, from engraving and polishing to drilling and shaping. The machine is designed for both beginners and hobbyists who want to take their creativity to the next level. With a price of just $50 and free shipping, it's an incredibly affordable way to start experimenting with jewelry making techniques without needing a full professional studio. What makes this machine particularly exciting is the range of creative possibilities it opens up. By mastering the different attachments, you can produce one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces that reflect your unique style and vision. It's not just a tool, It's a way to turn your ideas into tangible products that can be sold locally, online, or at craft markets. Beginners can start small, focusing on simple designs, while more ambitious users can explore advanced techniques over time. With this machine, the sky's the limit, and you can start building a jewelry-making business with minimal upfront investment. 5. Cup Sealing Machine. The cup sealing machine is a must-have for anyone looking to start a small beverage or takeaway business. This machine allows you to seal up to 500 cups per hour, making it perfect for busy cafes, smoothie shops, or homemade beverage ventures. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, it offers excellent durability and commercial-grade reliability, ensuring it can handle frequent use without issues. Rubberized feet provide stability during operation, so you don't have to worry about spills or accidents while sealing drinks. Whether you're making iced tea, bubble tea, or fresh juices, this machine guarantees a clean, professional finish every time. Beyond its functionality, the cup sealer is an ideal tool for small entrepreneurs looking to scale their beverage business. It saves time and effort compared to manually sealing cups, allowing you to serve more customers efficiently. The investment is minimal compared to the potential revenue you can generate, especially if you pair it with creative beverage recipes or signature drinks. Plus, it's compact enough to fit in a small kitchen or cafe setup, making it perfect for home-based startups or small food stalls. At a glance, this machine is a simple but powerful way to add professionalism and productivity to your drink business. 6. Smart Oil Press Machine. The Smart Oil Press Machine is perfect for anyone wanting to produce high-quality oils at home or for a small business. With a built-in heater and powerful motor, it ensures efficient and fast oil extraction from seeds, nuts, and other raw materials. One of its standout features is automatic temperature control, which lets you manage the pressing process to produce oil with specific characteristics and quality. It maximizes the yield from your raw materials, ensuring you get the most value out of every batch. Whether you're producing cooking oils, specialty oils, or health-focused oils, this machine is designed to deliver consistent, professional results. For small-scale entrepreneurs, the oil press opens up a world of business opportunities. Homemade, fresh oils are highly valued in local markets, restaurants, and online sales, and this machine allows you to produce them efficiently without industrial-scale investment. Its reliability and ease of use make it accessible even for beginners, while its advanced features meet the needs of more experienced users. Priced at around $230 with free shipping, it's an investment that can quickly pay for itself if you decide to sell fresh, high-quality oils. From health-conscious consumers to local restaurants, the demand for homemade oils is growing, and this machine positions you perfectly to meet it. 7. Ultra-Fine Flour Milling Machine. The ultra-fine flour milling machine is an essential tool for small food production businesses, bakeries, and anyone interested in making high-quality flour at home. This machine can grind a variety of grains, including wheat, corn, rice, and soybeans, using both dry and wet milling methods. Equipped with a 1500W motor, it provides high efficiency and consistency in milling, ensuring that your flour is fine, smooth, and perfect for baking, pasta, or other culinary creations. Its versatility and precision make it suitable for both home chefs and small-scale commercial operations. What makes this machine particularly exciting is the opportunity it creates for business. By producing your own flour, you can sell freshly milled, high-quality products to local bakeries, cafes, or directly to consumers. It's also perfect for creating specialty flours like gluten-free mixes, organic blends, or custom grains for health-conscious customers. The ultra-fine milling ensures your products are of premium quality, which can help you stand out in the competitive food market. For anyone looking to start a home-based food business or expand a small bakery, this machine is a powerful and cost-effective investment. 8. Semi-automatic packaging machine, stainless steel. The semi-automatic packaging machine is ideal for small businesses that need to package fine products like flour, powders, or granular food items. Made from durable stainless steel, it ensures reliability and hygiene, which is essential for food production. Using microcomputer control, it offers high precision and high-speed packaging, significantly boosting productivity while maintaining quality. The compact size and efficient operation make it perfect for small-scale production, and its versatility allows it to handle a wide range of products without the need for multiple machines. For entrepreneurs, this packaging machine opens up new possibilities. Packaged goods are in high demand, whether for local markets, online sales, or retail stores. With this machine, you can add value to your products by offering professional, clean, and uniform packaging, which attracts more customers and enhances your brand image. Its combination of speed, precision, and durability makes it a wise investment for anyone serious about running a small production business. From flour to spices to specialty food powders, this machine can streamline your operations and help you scale your business efficiently. 9. Manual Jar Filling Machine, Thick Liquids. The manual jar filling machine is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to start a small-scale business at home. Whether you're working with honey, creams, shampoos, or other thick liquids, this machine makes filling jars fast, clean, and consistent. Its simple manual design means you don't need electricity or complicated setup, making it perfect for beginners or those on a budget. You can fill jars accurately without mess, which helps maintain product quality and keeps your workspace tidy. This machine also allows you to add your own branding, turning each jar into a market-ready product. For small entrepreneurs, this jar filler is a golden opportunity to start generating income with minimal investment. By filling and selling homemade products in neatly packaged jars, you can easily tap into local markets, online stores, or small retail shops. Because it's so affordable and user-friendly, you can experiment with different product lines and recipes without worrying about losing money. Whether you want to start a beauty product line, homemade food business, or natural remedies brand, this simple machine gives you the control and flexibility you need to grow your business steadily. 10. Budget Liquid Filling Machine, Single Nozzle. If your budget is tight but you want to start a liquid filling business, the Budget Liquid Filling Machine is a perfect choice. This semi-automatic machine with a single nozzle costs only about $48, making it incredibly affordable for beginners. It's ideal for small-scale production of sauces, beverages, oils, or any liquid products you want to sell. Its design is simple, reliable, and easy to use, so you don't need any prior experience to start filling bottles efficiently. Even though it's compact and affordable, it still allows you to create professional-looking products that customers will trust. Starting a liquid-based business with this machine can be surprisingly profitable. By producing small batches, you can test different products and recipes while keeping costs low. It's also perfect for experimenting with custom packaging, flavors, or seasonal items. Despite its low price, it gives you a professional edge, allowing you to fill bottles quickly, maintain consistency, and reduce waste. For anyone dreaming of launching a home-based business, this small investment can be the first step toward building a scalable and profitable operation. These 10 machines are just the beginning. Imagine combining just a few of them and turning your home into a mini production empire. If you want me to reveal even more hidden gadgets that can make real money from home, hit that like button and subscribe because the next video will blow your mind.